South Africa Tour of Australia 2025. First one-day match at Kajeli Stadium, Cairns. Australia won the toss, elected to field first. South Africa 50 overs, 296 runs, 8 wicket lost. Aiden Markram is the highest scorer, 82 runs, 81 balls. Then Australia team best bowling figure, Tabiz hit 9 overs, no maiden, 57 runs, 4 wickets taken. Australia 40.5 overs, 198 runs all out. Mitchell Marsh is the highest scorer, 88 runs, 96 balls. Then South Africa team best bowling spell, Keshav Maharaj 10 overs, 1 maiden, 33 runs, 5 wickets taken. South Africa won by 98 runs in this match. Player of the match, Keshav Maharaj. Congratulations, South Africa cricket team. Second one-day match at Mackay, 22 August, 10:30 am.